Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Oppo A9 smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Oppo A9 smartphone. First of all, switch off or power off your phone Oppo A9. Just press power button which is available on the right side of your phone and swipe like this. Your phone will be switched off. Just wait for a few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume down button to initiate hard reset. Power button is on right side, volume down button is on left side. Just press them together for initiating hard reset. Press them together and keep them for few seconds. Just wait for few seconds. Hold these two buttons for few seconds and release them. Select the language. Select wipe data option here. Now you go to give the pattern for authentication. Here two options are available. First option will keep your SMS, contacts and photos, so you will not lose your data here. Click OK. You have also other option, wipe data, and click on format data here. Click OK. This will erase everything. Yes, wipe data has been successfully done. And you go to wait for few seconds to few minutes. It will take long time. Yes, I was skipped the waiting time. Now you go to set your phone from the scratch. Skip. Click continue. Here click on next. Click on don't copy. Just wait. You can click skip here. And click on accept. Click on skip. Click continue. Click on continue and click on set as new Oppo phone. Skip it and click on start experimenting. That's all friends, hard reset is done and you can use your phone like a fresh phone. That's all.